To remove the battery, all you do is slide this up. There's a piece of plastic that's a blue color here. It's kind of close to black, but it's blue. You just go like that and it pops up. Now this battery will slide right out. To put it back in, you take this here. There's actually an arrow on the battery right there. You point it to that blue piece of plastic I was talking about. That's the way that it goes in. Then you just kind of push it over and down and it will lock itself in. Really simple. Now when you do that, you will not lose the information that you've stored in here. For instance, I have mine to shoot on this XVAC-S HD format because it gives the clearest pictures, but you have to have an HDXC card that's class 10 or higher to be able to film on that. So like I say, you won't lose that information, nor your date and time and stuff like that. So I'll show you. We'll come over here. Go down to the time. See, all the date and time settings stay the same. So that's all there is to it. Down below you'll find a couple of Amazon links. One's for the SD card. One is for the actual Sony battery, which is pretty expensive. And then some knockoff batteries that are less expensive, but generally aren't as good as the Sony batteries. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.